We are not playing with them.
Na Kevin hello.
Bad intention agenda na mo person
Kevin Archbishop no ono yo nyame di pa ye de Yakobon no ye Yakobon kraman ye Yakobon ponche ye de kasa kire Yakobon ye ni Yakobon kasa yi
aha enti enka wo se abronya akokasa atia eja Osofo wanya sofo ye politician na ye person is treating as politician dabi let me handle him as a politician. To me, he is not a pastor. And I'm in just in Kodia, me in the spiritual world. And I know in the spiritual world, I am more powerful than Duncan Williams. Because the Bible tells me, say, he has chosen me. I am also a chosen vessel. A royal generation. What I say? I am part of God's priesthood. And yet Duncan Williams, the day that Jesus Christ came to die on the cross, it has given me too opportunity to enter into the throne of grace. And that's into the holiest of holiest. And yet Duncan Williams and call. We should get that straight. And so person a politician, we will treat him as a politician. But if he wants to be a pastor, that's the what to be catch Mahama said 2020 is not your time. It means that you were part of the agenda. And you guys executed the agenda by frustrating another down Akufo-Addo. Because when you say, oh, free ya titeno, and the mobile cabia or befa, and I'm a pane dorman. Who born it to her, who born it to her, which year? What sounds about better than have a cancer in another? Or your cancer won't see. I call him and they say he's sleeping and you will be our prime minister. How can a man of God speak like that? And when you treat him like a politician. Because when you can't say, oh, you're Yaminipa, when Yaminipa be our so about Casamoyede, exit. Paul said, you must follow my example. As I follow the examples of Christ, and if I'm not to say Paul, no, your politics. Paul was on the lane or coming yami asem. The yami did message or the man and no call quaka. It is a one can yami messenger. Sananchain. That found over joining NPP and I say NDC. Will be so NDC. Kevin tell I went to me and should threat. Went to me and commanded. And see a man may was sorry. And men may shame people in penny foster you are commanding them. If you command them, we will also command you. And we will strip you naked because you are not a man of God. Nobody fears you. You don't carry the power of God. And our life is not in your hands.
We are so full. Now, what the Basi Yenya Yenya Manuel Sema will treat you as a politician, not a man of God. We are Hene. Now, Oba say Yenya politics will treat you as a politician, not a chief. And some men of God have turned to that lane. I must say, I'm not perceiving na yen kambum ni enya manyo semno. Yet your memuha. And a tip eliki say this same acclaimed men of God at my accurate WhatsApp platform our issue voices say they don't want Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia to be the president of this country. Where is Justin Kodia then? We shouldn't be hypocritical. Ni yesro nyina na say yempesi NPP be opposition. Now we are in opposition. So we don't fear anything again. We must come after anyone that is not serious. Yet your mama obi aye appointed no as a deputy communication director of the NPP in the person of NSO Subempa Wapapon. You communication a wayama NPP when we in power. Your opposition pe akwayet matcha abetwa no abeka kire say on we interact with Ghanaians. Ghanaians say they don't want a Muslim as a president. What did the party do? This is a national officer. Steka akwaka the same thing. What did the party do? The party was silent. Yet your memo in 2024 akwaya open TTMwe. Look at how they were denigrating the president then. Obia sorry also we sofo no aka bibia fa nanado. We're silent. So what has Abronye done? Some of us will forever and ever defend Abronye on whatever he has done. And if Justin knows he's a man, he should try it and see. Look, we are not going to be lightly, we are not going to take it lightly on our leaders again. We are in opposition and we don't fear anything that will come again. The worst of it is that we will be in opposition.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. We are to a broso crowd there, cutting voice. Yam paying for no, omuye nyatrum na yom. Voice, asema bronya kan asema bronya kan, asema Kevin Taylor kachire kansen sa pastor, archbishop no. Enye mu kwata kwa na abronya kan no. Didi atema Kevin, wote say NDC ni bi babonti be disassociate you are free asema Kevin Taylor na na one nim say Kevin Taylor na okuma NDC odidi papa na tem no na ye papa na asema akoka ati NDC ntina ana papa ne ye bi a wo ye enoma bi a wo ye ti NDC ntina ma Kevin Taylor because oti say NDC for ba out boys mu nya sa we ya hwe be drum maybe no nobody will stand for the party. Abronya ho ade abronya start ye no ene na ma party ne say emu dwun kaka say ye nya isa party no obietime didi obietime akase tia a whole religion wantime anyi issue statement ba ko classic na we onye oni Christianity na ko onye oni Christians na ko oni papa ne na anya issue abronya ne say oni papa ne nko a we obi ankofo emfa nkofrafra ayi bia also ana ayi Christianity na de bia enyo ne Christopher na nya de ni tie bi wo se ono woko Presbyterian sense or Pentecost on kasantia wo mo obobo ayi asofo obobo mu nyina din o kasantia wo mo one papa ni na enya na papa ni timi kacha mu na muso issue statement na kasa kina biem no abronyo to us and voice o hunu mo kana Japan na tete no ntu onu ohunuama onim ba bi owura so nya information
yo
na woni papa na nya na sa papa na ba be gino de ya na na makofa letter na ma truck letter na ma ba de sense hunu wi omdo mo tell no mo nya sa omo tell no mo nya sa echina bi obi me ba man from echina bi obi di na asem ba na obi a mia na no nye de abeto party ni so nye de aye diplomatic NPP for the empire ni AyEka na ye de ko eni anu no
yo me da say
all right yeah
me da say
ya tabronya chi
oni won tani chikranka nyewu me da say
oni nini
yo na ajwa 2 minutes saka de.
Hello, good evening, the voice.
Evening. Yeah,
Now,
2 minutes. Yes, I don't know.
Okay, you think I'm going to say I'm making now more thing. Said the party no, we hypocrites pa 100,000%. We hypocrites pa. So when you see a troll letter that the next thing come start me man for 4 baby letters. Ewo party ni. Then ye the all kuma party no. And I some would man a letter say or more man a letter so any day. Ye ka Duncan Williams or Tinyanko Pons and if I saw an answer day.
Oh yeah,
Mama ya Jamie or Archbishop won't go and answer day. Mama ya nyo ye na ye be and Yankopon kwan enim nipa akoma mu. When evil things that these people are doing behind us. Evil things as ankofo we share edi nyame akata wo mani a. Yankopon tin wo so de atemu ni be free ono ankasa ne fie. Na be ya se bia ye nko heaven ho binti ye ne ye nhunu e bia na ye ne ye bia me ya nko ho no bi ne ye nhunu wo mo koye ne wo mo anko. Mudi Yankopon akata mani di bone suppressing kofo wo man ni hodi all because mudi chain akese atumuko mu se mu ye nyame nipa why na ye bonsam nipa abranya we are 1000% behind him onye de wo je na onkoso no expose wo mo sa ade na mo yesa Mother na mo yesa. What to honum? Yet to honum ye nyina yet to honum na se bi gemfi. E ka kire se Yakopon ya adom no mo wi a. So ya fo mpa ye be pam wo mo free honum. What is NDC ni bi sorry e the letter e be discriminate ho free mu se asem a wo ka no nko aneka. Ade nti na mo ye weak sa. Mu ye weak ankasa. Mummy, yakuma, dear, say yakuma kwa. Muye weak, munya mema. Muye weak, muye weak and cassa. Ah, muye mema, young walemo. Some muye mema, pank, young walemo. Ah, Mummy, must say yakuma, must say yakuma kwa, must say yakuma kwa.
Mokane bofu, miakasane bofu.
Must say yakuma,
miakasane bofu.
Must say yakuma.
Voice a chede beba, chede bedru, so the miaka, with the man can I
Bibia ba. Mona mubedi ho adododio ye nibi ye yete wono mo no bibi biare ni hono ma wo eba party ni ma ye wini o ye wo power ye ni power ye nya mo hwe emfire mu de ye nya wo ma ne se ye ni ba je se policy papa beba na wunua bi ba bi wo hono ma akwala bi wo hono ma na bi aso ne so eno nko an ye nya eno ne ye nya free ne yakoma di a kire se o yan se party wo power eno an ye nya free mu de ne ye nya free mu na mu di mu adodode esi dan akese de samomade o mu kogu schools akese mu. Oh, ye support it. Ye dia kuma ni adwini nyina support na musu di akire na mudi nsamfo.
Yo, bidase.
Mamo nya saade no kra. Mamo nya saade no kra. Mamo nya saade no. Na sa papa ni de Nyankopon hwe ye nyina. Ye nyina ye te asase so Nyankopon hwe ye. Mo sora mo di chain sakase ato mo kokofo se mo ti Nyankopon
voice man come
mo nya dia mo kire na mo hu ahyi papa mo hu ahyi me ko bo 12 o'clock so se me da so ti honum twɛn se de meka ma adwene ade nti na mo ye bufu se mo sa They say moya mema kia ngwale mu. There will be a time will come. Munkwa na mobeye mu party. Munkwa mobeye mu party.
Upo ya na be worry.
Ye ni obi a chibe. Make me tie. Say me tie kwa na makoma. Na me buo. There's no need say. There's no need say ye di a chire bi. Na mo ankasa mo nyam ade. Moya na mo kona mkonya mu gold. Munimu. Moya mu gold.
Ya na be worry. Ma worry e be bold. Me da say. All right.
Mo ya kwa na e be bu mu dua.
Yo, Midasi, yo, Manuel, good evening. Yeah, 2 minutes. Let me hear you.
Voice, Midasi, and they make a tree.
Yeah, feel free.
Voice, the letter was needless.
Oh, because as them.
Oh, it's needless. Voice. One is answer. I think that the people who are up there don't know what those who are down.
Say no be catchy. Manuel say no be catchy.
Mate, Shaka, Mate. I say omo so hone omo fele ade omo wa
long time you come inside.
Yes, voice
yeah.
Yes. One, the grassroots, the person needs to understand grassroots no the omo pe. These people spoke against us. You made a statement say omo form a WhatsApp group. They were fighting against the political party. So do you think say barely saying say we de-associate ourselves from Asema or AyEka and ebe mama bepe Asema na. Asema na Kelvin Taylor and can't share your kind of saying or no your friend say Duncan Williams. Asema Kelvin
Taylor.
What kind of insult? And other Kelvin Taylor there. You can say Kevin NDC Modi or more issue communicate there be Asema na okujeto ablakwa and can't check kusibuating. Asembe na wanka Victor Kusibwa asembe na ke okujeto ablakwa amfanya no who send this issue statement. Did you see anything like that?
No.
So why? Then why? Enhweni beno no. Nhwehweni mu beno no. Did abronye okotena sani TV 80 no otena ho as chairman. Obi any private life ana.
Debbie is a chairman.
So what? Doesn't he have a private life? If he's a chairman, so what? Is general? Are you telling me that the general secretary right now, say Onyake is court, so a lawyer?
Yeah.
Court, does he go there as the general secretary of the NPP?
But he's an officer of the general party.
No. Does he go to court as the general secretary of the NPP? No.
It will always be attached to him.
No, it won't. He goes to court as a private person who has his own private life. Just like you and I. I'm a communicator of the party, but I also live my private life. Abronye is a chairman of NPP. He has his private life on any TV. He didn't speak as the chairman. He didn't speak in the name of the party. He did it in his personal capacity. So the party need not to issue any letter He didn't mention the party. So it was needless. I remember somewhere 2021, Kennedy spoke against, what's the name? Doug Heward Mills. Did we issue a letter against that particular one? Did we do that? Why are we being so hypocritical? We are I say, and who fought too much. We need men with balls to lead a new patriotic party. We need men who won't be running away where we need them most. We should stop that attitude and be very, very principled in our dealing. We should be very, very principled in our dealing. I say, Bimu Kasa, Obi Anyashe. But we should stop that. We should stop that. And yes, they will be demoralized. They won't even feel to work for the party again. Me, since the letter came out, I spoke against it basically, and I still speak against it. Say it was needless and who here because Abronya didn't speak for the party. He spoke in his private capacity. Mekai Edem, that guy no Yakufu.
That's why say party the chairman Bono Hormone. And you will be to be control. Or can I say Archbishop no or know your Yamidi Pa, ye Yakupone. Ye Yakupon Kamai. Ye Yakupon Ponchi. Yet the Cassette Yakupa and Yakupa say ye. I don't want to Cassette Yakupa ye. Yes, your Cassette Yakupa ye. It's so Yamidi Pa, yes, you Yakupa ma. When you don't want to Yamini Pa. We are Yamini Pa. Child baby, I will yame, ewo. Names you baby, and you yame a party. Who don't have a fluff party, Monquadi, already I do so your double family. Meaning is also we also for that's obligation. Yeah, ball, a yakitim now because of so food, yeah, ball and after change what I did. When you saw yourself for the could young concourse, now you're not at the chidum. Your boy, we are no abba. Sunday man, or just could the iron, won't he? Yes, happened before. And fast apart. So be AyEka. As a sound Nipana, be this is zero. So if you're not so one you for one put one answer on your manco. Near my could do from that. Yours 2028, you know. Young quite a better, sir. 2028, you know. Young quite a better, sir. Won't me out, won't try baby. Now I am Yakuya nearby. Sunday, my phone away on one here, I fast and Pama. Obey me, Becca set your some pay this idea and your bayamo.
Yo, me that say AyEka. Uncle Nam, 2 minutes. Yeah, even if I'm
the executive, you know, the homo Bruno more. Now, I couldn't day and name you go on. If you always over commissar face to India, when we try for your show, that may buy me catch or say, I just sat at for the Sa Asofo akasifu nyina se na na do time na si yanka fesi ada we no aka nya asem papa obi anka ho asem kofi oduro na oka ho asem oka ho asem kra no na no kwatwen se na do time akobi fi America betwitwa picture o ayi Jubilee House no de baba ta ho no na che se asofo bi ho na nkasa na agenda e desa mo de time party na anya de papa ti so bi NPP ni bi aba ba kasa na mo be issue statement bia and the man penti no ko radios ni am akokasa o because e besa na e be bi obi abem se okwa party na se o cha se statement no adoso da ben NPP fetuma ye bo de ko dina papa na se demo se bia ye ko election ti papa ye be na asofo no bia aba kasa krada e possible ono woni line o woni line odumi dada o ntanya wo na wo statement bi a wo de ba asofo no kosia ya na so mo nkosia omo ma agenda nti so mo fa buga na wo mo de buga ba na mo be se de bia na mo de statement baba mo de statement baba dia and de be etin ya bet na wache sana ma no bet npo won twa so because asofo na nkasa no isa no mo nyina do mo ho wura politics ni mo utase omo de mo ho wura tise so mo nyina de bi pesisi ni yes you also cannot mock us out piece of someone in our appointment.
On in our appointment. I'm finding
a way ye near to see a bit diagram voice and Yamaba Fire 2028. It's sad now, must start here now more than or motion on because I'm a boom in the boom because no more fire in arm. Yes, sir, but almost social media voice and Casasama movie. But mo nko fa no ba kasa fa no mako use statement. O ba kasa fa no mako use statement dia. Why some so ba can assign because make us kwa no o dia voice one auto data one o ye obi dia. Not to say no voice akoka be bit no the be use statement dia. And then on ba have party no. O ma mabunu na ati assign. Nti pe no po no mo nche no mo sa de mo twa won mo kan wa se.
Yo, me that say. Yo, Inzima, finally, let me hear you 2 minutes.
And I think if me saw meaning, the mission of Ghana, your customs and values, me say, way Osofo, and I way you're here, unfound any amayos. The moment we Osofo, and also here, we don't be amanyo sing. So respect na domino a woman. One casano uboni nagu. Emma ubia kwan say to me a criticize and I say we ye be to make us. Secondary, I think letter na JFK na pan for actually say they de-associate themselves with the Abonyeko kind. I send a signal my grassroots and say from henceforth say oh can say my party na se wunya asema one kasa wase sana mi huno because the reason why I make can say on here TV abronye ebie me kai pa no first show o ka say TV we bie no o de be ye adwuma e de aboa NPP party. He said na binya manwe AyEka yehu send this ni bi akoka asem bi abronya kwa de wanidi atemu abronya de wanidi atem ba yehu send this ni bi akodidi obi atem ama ya ka che ne say ana send this for the letter ba say asem no muni pa na kan no mo twon mo flu. It's like party hierarchy no, they are being too soft and to say they make counts. You see no ma me or grassroots ni afa 100 because o koya dey my party na say o hwe na wan ye ni na say wan semba anya dey party be di wachi nti dey akoba no e na e be fa 100 eni me nyame kopon hire ye na
Me that say. Yo. Well,
their voice me so mame some 30 seconds bi na
me
bedrock voice me de mame carry na dey na voice that's one person make say what the mame ka voice me so voice woni Manuel mo amo ni doctor mutimi shia doctor anya na say mo se asem wo ntwe no wam mi na no afa asem no so bibia wo do mfa abonye no kokoam no ne abonye kasa mesra mo bia meka bibi publicly free doctor wo bia meka emeti abonye mesra mo ye de kotodwe pamachew asem nko ade omia na no te said want ye no omia na no te said want ye no o de se mo friend na mo friend no send the penny de no no be kasa o friend kokoam no ne kasa but man emeye public because yes I dey be di no ho ya pa yes meaning say one yes but mesra mo voice e hu ya pa because abonye start ye no na man krofo na brebre no ma bi ase nti say me ya say people for yes ashim me say me hu say ashim papa ashim rough wo just nkodua wo to na kana say kwa de nka yenim say wo kabra wo bre kra NPP amane a ye fam a wo bra wo bre nka yenya hu mo bro bi ama na wo say to ejimi hu.
Yo, me that's okay. That's it. Auntie Selena, Pacho, 2 minutes now. Sorry, so now go important issues.
The voice. I met you only what say for. And then the meeting. I brought you and some now walk a camel. The MPP for me, not me yet, or be a mere politics. Twitter talking, and I. But my court say, I'm the most politics to do my dear child and talk my bit to me at it. No Baba show me who you are. Now, I brought you some more camels. I brought you station with you. Saint Yaya. And no promote to the neck of what near my way. Yeah, it can't be best. And I'm saying you will be a communication, no 8 young possible. And then people lose you know. I dare me when I say, and people for let know we shoot my boy, you know. Let me take a deep breath there. Almost MPP for me second the important you did in MPP for count be. Because all say I brought the Ben against so Casan Kennedy Miana. Say I so for can you believe say most of for what me show you go for hata surani. Ghana you were a young for those snakes capo. Na obi na ko for to let me the school apa. A young for my and clap to be said very to go quarrel. Your man now so my big na kwa piece away now. And nam sa kwanya wona na go for adwa fa e abanya adwuni pa. Etimi e sa kwanya wo yaba. Trade development and no go for do be ye. Ni na nam sa pa for no. Sa do kamuru e papa yi. Wo etimi a hwe so what so be for the young for. Twe Ghana so for we very selfish. The name say nim the Bible say nim dia me nim ti. Na me so for no ni don kamule makame fra so ni mu ne chana. Because don kamule am ni ma ye yo. But wo ye ni na what na so de wo so wo bo ni ma fato. Ghana for so for Yankopon de bufo be ba wo so. Wo mo de bufo because say in the same person na ku for ni ma wo ye yi. Don't come wo do be wo me campaign ye. And some for pa plan ko yes I do sometimes this a campaign farmer MPP for lusu ya. Onya me fancha wo mo da. Na me se ba de bambo to abronye so. Say enim die ni nyansa ba de ama no.
Omutimi nya no hwe. Omutimi nya ni fuku.
Yes MPP.
Oni hwe.
Abronye ko ban. Because I did not come rule my no. In social pass $100,000. I bring school from college a teachers for to be chair womoka. I bring nurses for strike. Obeti se kum chacha ya to understand na kufu adu ye bonsam. Because I say now enkwasi ase wonya na kufu adu nye. Ghana for so for nya me die bufo be prebu bisa. Na wo mo hwe wo mo ye nya cha se MPP for mo me ye ni mo me ya dile na wo. Because wo mo nyino wo man wo mo nyino wo fu. Don't be dear me. I'm a
as a punctuation in minute.
Intimidate the voice. Wait, Yanso, I brought you the Yankopon Shrano. The Yabex, and what the information if you don't know, just you could don't know for that won't go for you. Now, this time on you for me about my year, but yeah, what I say.
Hey, and a voice, and a car, a brand and a car, you had the Quran. Quran call echo a sebi. A could be and a son and Cassan Park. It can be the voice. I don't mean, can't say Quran.
The voice it some Jenfi. Kevin Taylor, I did no man can. I'm from the local father. What was some Hamlet statement be?
Hello.
Something then I can drop him.
No.
Please.
Papa no can say. Papa no can say. NPP for no. And then I do believe what that man said. The NPP for. Moya a ye for no. Me
The voice.
true pa. I know the magic papa.
The voice we are not playing with them. No, the voice we call the Dr. Momia say MPP for Niabri because one more support Abronya, you made demonstration against you. We are not playing with them.
Bad intention agenda na mo person no mo to kwa mo be ye agenda.
Yeah, so Manuel, 1 minute now. Auntie Mary bring 1 minute now.
Mate, voice. Ain't one who say Ubie, you can say Ubiankas. One say Ubia or Akasebia has never said anything in favor of the letter. And this is the voice of the grassroots. Anti-party, the best thing that we have to do now is to connect with the grassroots very well and listen to what they want. Listen to Omo wants and needs before we take decisions. Once Midiwiano now can be in your earlier submissions. These people, they have control, they have power, they have nothing. Because Nanko Omo what they all say Okana, Nakajomahama also losing last election. Per in Semna Kevin Taylor and this guy Sami Jemfiankasa and what's the name of Okujeto Ekeka against Osofo yet MPP NDC we need election. Yenya Osofo almost swear say they will never or see way Osubempa. They will never let a Muslim govern this country. No, that's what he said. Osubempa so the no. We had pastors Bibi Kakre BCB or the Kwakwadina pulpit so at the AP church and politician Kofi Odru. All these people did evil things against the New Patriotic Party, and now you still want us to smile to them. Yet twice so sir, you will keep on losing votes because the MPP that we have right now, and yet MPP are yeni atang for sre. When we see our enemies, we should see them as enemies and treat them as such. My treaty enemies like friends with soft gloves. We should go beyond that. Now yemfasa party of intellectuals no yemfanton chain and yanu ni says here intellectuals any 41%, you know. Let us be aggressive. Bible Christ said the kingdom of God suffers violence, and violence taken by force. A word to the wise is enough. May I say?
Yo, Manuel, go and enjoy your night. Bye bye. You're not
Thank
my friend
you.
again. All right, Auntie Mary, 2 minutes.
Emmanuel, okay.
Yo.
Good evening. Mechia Busafuni na Madam Wase, Ejuma Pamu Yema NPP, Dr. Muhammadu Bawumi. Na mede abronya issue no. The past 3 days we say funeral. I'm asking so many questions about those people are almost Kasa or party. And somewhere to a baby a man for Akeka against our own party in Pono. Ubi anyway, you should let about Kumpo a 2 so. Ubi anyway. I draw Safo and I'm a letter. Your friend a disciplinary committee or any so may no. It was simply okay can radio so. It may be so. And a day Japan will bro MPP Mirano Swana. Also, Bempa Abua Papuna and Nenima Yin Caseno, or also so or bro MPP Miraswana. I said, Bimu, you are Casa won't form who could you be your Casa. Young friend, ye issue letter mano. A bronya dear, where ye Nicosia, who are winning my own Sada Cambron and the young movie. Ye be organize demonstration with Ghana, Aqua Party office. One more she ya. A dear, the bay woman. Ombe sorry.
Yo.
A bronya some more kind, a sembe plan or kaya. Enya enu ntimodi letter babon tin say abronya asem o kan pipi fonfa ho ya koye ti say ase wuyi wani mi adwuma ma MPP MPP fo hu so obi ye uye adwuma ma wo mo aso mpese o bu ni problem aso mo pese o ma ye look useless abronya nyu woni Ghana Osofo nyina na enya ntokwa. Personality as a friend is Duncan Williams. I did 1 year and young one some work. Almost so for be a deal. Now, who is also Duncan Williams? Why? When Jessica or your soft cassette and Canasa Mana? Why are they in Ghana? The slow, a brother said, what the car can answer no was say. Radio station will be a couple of young people for the beer man. On one editing the movie, a drew by beer and see council short to and a year in a man be source. Station and you'll be there, studio and you'll be there, on one a beer and young MPP studio. Munyano, no one in a Juma. I told you, my post videos. I did to what the doctor about me. I tell you, boy, said doctor, now small boy, so may you mean Chiamka. 1 hour, you know, who said doctor, and small boy, I woke us and Yamin Chiamka. If you say, I'm pregnant doctor about me, and I'm
Mary, now we yes, we did go be at them. Mary, we cried the Newcastle man hell. Now, wait, there's a broken neck. Now, the Onua Casa Pumuna Ecano. na de ono akasa pay mu na eka no obi apostu de ono akasa si di asofo atem no obi apostu
nya banta na nsenya wo sori gina Kennedy course nyina na mo de akoso ye doctor so chesu obi wo baabi no wo kana sam na se woni pakura e ko gensi odi ani obi na asoma na de agimi no mu ya ni abro ya ni abro I promise we ya you what obi amagimi kire na se de menu ama ama papa bi kan no wo be jimi bia de ya best track wo so yes ya best track wo so so yeah ne kan ne ye ne sa afiwe
yo me that's Auntie Mary. You know, I've heard all of you and I understand. I feel the same way you feel. But I'll still maintain that politically now, what the party did is the best cause for action. And I've explained to you. Now, we use examples, we say, Abua Papua, yesi. Those are internal issues that you can go and sit down behind closed door and resolve. But we a issue internally with an outsider, right? So different things that are being discussed here. Somebody also says Kevin Taylor, yes, Kevin Taylor, onye executive council member of NDC. Abronye is an executive council member of the NPP. So they are not the same. So please, meaning say you lose the election, you wait full, and there are certain things and all those things. That notwithstanding, no, we have to be cautious. Okay, we have to be cautious how we go about things. Otherwise, people are setting traps for us. Okay, people are setting traps. Some of these pastors and co, they are setting traps to let Ghanaians say AyEka. So let's please calm down and move forward politically. The final thing I was saying is you must understand the party who belong to. This is a right-wing political party. A right-wing center political party. But me go Google and check what is a right-wing ideology. Now, one thing you cannot take out of right-wing political ideologies for no, respect for religion. We respect religion. Say nipa no you fake pastor cry. So your pastor no obey any who say politician cry. As a right-wing political party, no, you disrespect no more. Even if the person is not deserving of the respect. Let's calm down. Let's concentrate on things that are worth it.